Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Are you an adventure seeker on a budget? Look no further. Today, we'll share with you our top dollar store finds that are essential for your next adventure. From camping trips to road trips and everything in between, these budget-friendly items will help you make the most out of your journey without breaking the bank. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on an exciting and wallet-friendly adventure with these dollar store picks. Trust us, you won't want to leave home without them. Let's dive in and discover the best dollar store deals for your next adventure. When it comes to packing for an adventure, every cent counts. That's where dollar stores come in. While some might underestimate these budget-friendly retail outlets, they are a treasure trove of hidden gems that are perfect for your traveling needs. Dollar stores offer a wide variety of items at a low cost, including personal care products, snacks, and even camping gear. The key to unlocking the value of dollar store shopping lies in careful product selection. It's all about knowing what to buy and what to skip. For instance, getting a deal on non-perishable food items or travel-sized toiletries can be a real money saver. Moreover, these stores often carry items that you might not think of initially, but could come in handy during your travels, like zip-top bags for storage or bandanas for multiple uses. Shopping at dollar stores allows you to save money without compromising on your trip essentials. So embrace the value of dollar store shopping and get ready to equip your travel bag with budget-friendly finds. Stay tuned for our suggestions on must-have dollar store items for your next adventure. Dollar stores are filled to the brim with a surprising range of items that can serve as your travel essentials. First off, let's talk about storage. From reusable tote bags to zip-top bags, these stores have got you covered. Tote bags are great for packing your clothes and other essentials, while zip-top bags can be used to organize smaller items, protect your electronics, or even store food. Speaking of food, you'll be pleasantly surprised to find a wide selection of non-perishable food items at dollar stores. Whether you're looking for snacks for a road trip or canned goods for a camping trip, you'll find a variety of options that can keep you fueled for your adventure. If you're heading out for a camping or hiking trip, you might also find useful tools such as flashlights, batteries, rope, and even disposable ponchos. And don't forget to check out their selection of camping cookware. From aluminum foil for cooking over the fire to plastic plates and cutlery, these items can come in handy when you're out in the great outdoors. Travel-sized toiletries are another excellent find at dollar stores. You'll often find mini bottles of shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and even toothpaste. These smaller-sized items are perfect for saving space in your bag and keeping you fresh during your trip. Lastly, don't miss out on the opportunity to pick up some fun items like travel games or puzzle books. These can provide some entertainment during downtime or long travel periods. Overall, dollar stores offer a wealth of budget-friendly options for your travel needs. All it takes is a bit of savvy shopping, and you're well on your way to packing for your next adventure without overspending. When preparing for an adventure, safety should always be a top priority, and a well-stocked first aid kit is an absolute must-have. Don't be deterred by the thought of spending a fortune on a ready-made kit. You'll be amazed to find that your local dollar store has all the supplies you need to create a comprehensive first aid kit without straining your wallet. Start with Band-Aids. Dollar stores usually carry a variety of sizes and styles to handle minor cuts and scrapes. Look for antiseptic wipes or creams to clean wounds and prevent infections. Don't forget to pick up some gauze pads and medical tape for larger wounds. You might also find tweezers for removing splinters or ticks, and scissors for cutting tape or clothing. Consider adding a few packs of over-the-counter medications to your kit. Dollar stores often carry travel-sized packets of pain relievers, antacids, and allergy medicines. You may also find handy items like eye drops and lip balm to combat discomfort caused by weather conditions during your adventure. Be sure to look for a small, durable container to keep your first aid supplies organized and easily accessible. A clear plastic box or even a zip-top bag can do the trick. Remember, your dollar store first aid kit isn't just budget-friendly, it can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Don't underestimate the value of preparedness. An affordable first aid kit sourced from your local dollar store is one step closer to a safe and enjoyable adventure. Think of dollar stores as your personal snack pantry when prepping for your upcoming adventure. Their shelves are lined with an impressive array of snacks, perfect for a quick energy boost during a hike, a long drive, or even while lounging at your campsite. Let's explore what you can find in these budget-friendly stores. Canned goods are a staple at dollar stores. They're non-perishable, easy to pack, and offer a wide range of options from fruits and vegetables to beans and soups. Not to mention, canned foods are easy to prepare. Just make sure you pack a can opener. If you're more of a snacker, you'll find a variety of nuts, seeds, and trail mixes. These protein-packed snacks can keep you fueled for longer. Plus, they're easy to carry and don't require any preparation. Got a sweet tooth? Dollar stores have a large selection of candies, cookies, and chocolates that can satisfy your cravings. Remember, indulging in a sweet treat once in a while can be a great mood booster during your trip. Looking for something salty and crunchy? Check out their chips and pretzels aisle. While these might not be the healthiest options, they are definitely a crowd pleaser and perfect for sharing around the campfire. Don't forget to pick up some beverages too. Dollar stores typically offer a variety of drinks, from water and fruit juices to sodas and sports drinks. Staying hydrated is important, especially during outdoor activities, so make sure to stock up. One key thing to remember while snack shopping at dollar stores is to check the expiration dates. Though it's rare, some items might be near their sell-by date, so make sure to pick the freshest items for your adventure. All in all, with careful selection and smart shopping, dollar stores can be a one-stop shop for stocking up on snacks for your adventure without burning a hole in your pocket. Keeping clean and fresh while on an adventure can be challenging, but with a little ingenuity and the right supplies from a dollar store, it's entirely possible. To start, baby wipes are a multi-purpose must-have. They can serve as a quick and easy way to freshen up when a shower isn't available or clean your hands before meals. Baby wipes are also great for wiping down surfaces or equipment. Speaking of clean hands, hand sanitizers are another dollar store gem. They come in handy when water and soap aren't readily available. Opt for travel-sized bottles for convenience and easy packing. You can also find refillable bottles to carry your favorite liquid soap or shampoo. These bottles are not only affordable, but are also an environmentally friendly option compared to buying multiple small-sized toiletries. Travel-sized toiletries, as mentioned earlier, are a find at dollar stores. Apart from the common shampoo and body wash, look for items like travel-sized deodorants, toothbrushes, and toothpaste. These items are perfect for maintaining personal hygiene while on the go. Another trick is to invest in a pack of disposable shower caps. These are excellent for protecting your hair from dust and rain, or even while sleeping in less than ideal conditions. Additionally, they can double as covers for food or other items that you want to keep clean and dust-free. And let's not forget about laundry. Dollar stores often carry travel-sized laundry detergent, which can be a lifesaver if you need to wash a few items on your trip. They may also carry compact, lightweight clotheslines or inflatable hangers for drying clothes. To keep your gear smelling fresh, consider grabbing a few packs of dryer sheets. Tuck them into your shoes, sleeping bag, or backpack to combat unpleasant odors. Documenting your adventure is as crucial as planning and packing for it. And guess what? Dollar stores can come to your rescue yet again. They offer a variety of budget-friendly items that can help you capture and preserve the memories of your adventure. For traditional journaling, you can find a wide range of notebooks, pens, and markers. Whether you're sketching a breathtaking view or jotting down the day's experiences, these supplies have got you covered. Dollar stores even carry glue sticks and tapes, perfect for sticking instant photos or mementos in your travel journal. Speaking of photos, dollar stores often stock disposable cameras. These retro gadgets are making a comeback and can be a fun way to capture your adventure. And they're an affordable alternative if you're worried about taking a more expensive camera on your travels. You might also be surprised to find that many dollar stores carry small photo albums or picture frames. These can be perfect for displaying your favorite prints once you return home. Finally, don't overlook the toy aisle. You might find a simple kite to fly on the beach, bubbles for some fun photos, or even a deck of cards for those cozy nights around the campfire. Keeping a record of your adventure doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With some creative thinking and budget-friendly supplies from your local dollar store, you can document your journey in a way that's both meaningful and affordable. So grab your dollar bills and start stocking up on these documenting essentials for your next great adventure.